Have you ever heard of goat yoga? Today we're checking it out to see exactly what benefits it has.
You may be used to saying naaa-maste in a traditional yoga class, but here we say naaa-maaa-ste.
It really just lets you let your guard down quickly. I mean, some people you try yoga for the first time and you might be nervous, you don't think you're athletic enough, but everyone's just having a good time, laughing with the goat, so it really lets you relax.
Nothing like starting your day off outside and making some new friends. Goat yoga is really something that everybody should experience. Not only is it relaxing, it's also fun too. Animal therapy, I really believe in that. Hopefully you can check it out for yourself.